Dear students, welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our today's subject, Maths, please subscribe this page and click on bell icon. In our today's subject, we are going to discuss words problem and multiplication by 2. Students, in this week we have to discuss two subtopics. First, we will discuss the subtopic word problems. Today's objective is solve the word problem involving addition and subtraction. Here are some clue words which are used for addition and subtraction in word problems. For addition, the words which are used are plus, and, total of, altogether, increased by, combined, add, sum, together, more than, added to, in all, and make. And for subtraction, the words which are used are subtract, gave, take away, decrease by, fewer, minus, shared, fewer than, less than, difference, less, and left. At grade 2, the words which are mostly used in word problem are altogether and total for addition. And for subtraction, the words which are used are left and fewer. Students, here are steps for solving word problem. Before solving any word problem, you have to remember these 5 steps. Then they will be easy for you. The first step is read the problem carefully. Second step is underline or circle the important word, numbers or operations. The third step is do the working. Step number 4 is write the statements. And last one, step 5 is check your work. Here is an example. There are 468 students in the school hall. 350 students went back to their classrooms. How many students left in the hall? According to the steps for word problem, first step is read the problem carefully. When you read this problem carefully, you can find the operation, means what you have to done in this problem. You have to add or subtract. There are 468 students in the hall, from which 350 students went back to their classroom. You have to find the students which are left in the hall. Second step, you have to underline the words. When you underline the words, you can find that by looking at the word left, means you have to subtract the numbers in this problem. Now go on the next steps. Now the third step is do the working. As you read the problem and understand the operation that you have to subtract these numbers. Now we will do the working. Working means if you have to add the numbers, then add the numbers, and if you have to subtract the numbers, then subtract the numbers. Write the places, write the numbers, and subtract these numbers. The first number is 468, and you have to subtract 350. When we subtract these two numbers, the answer is 118. Now this 113 number are the students which are left in the hall. The fourth step is write the statement. Now you have to write the statement from the question. In question, you have to find the number of students left in the hall. Now the statement will be 118 students are left in the school hall. Step 5 is check your work. You have to recheck your working. Is it correct or wrong? Here is another example. A farmer collect 123 mangoes and 235 apple. How many fruits does he collect altogether? There is a farmer who are collecting the fruits. First he collect 123 mangoes. Then he collect 235 apples. Now you have to find how many fruits now this farmer have. Means you have to add these numbers. The second step is underline the words. We have underlined the numbers, and as you can see on a screen, 123, 235, and the last word is together. From this word you can understand that we have to add these numbers. Then go on the third step, do the working. Third step is do the working. Now you understand this, you have to add these numbers. Write the places and write the numbers. The numbers are 123 and 235. You have to add these numbers. When we add these numbers, the answer is 358. Step 4 is write the statement. You will write the statement from the question. What is demand of the question? In question you have to find the how many total fruits. So statement will be total fruits are 358. Last step, recheck your work. Students, before going your written work, please remember these points. Use the 5 steps for solving word problems. Use the plus sign. Use the minus sign. Students, in this week we will also start the new chapter, and the name of the chapter is multiplication table of 2, 5 and 10, and the subtopic will be multiplication table of 2. And the subtopic is multiplication table of 2. So objectives are build up the table of 2, learn the table of 2, use the table of 2 and memorize the table of 2. First, I will tell you what is multiplication. Multiplication is addition of repeated numbers. For example, you can see on a screen 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means you have to add the 2 5 times, which is equal to 10. Instead of adding again and again the same number, we will use the multiplication. The number is 2 and it is repeating 5 times. So we can write this as 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10. Another example is if you have to add 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 6. Then again, instead of adding 2 3 times, we will use the multiplication. The number which is repeating is 2, and how many times it is repeating? 3 times. So we will write is 2 multiplied by 3, and 2 3s are 6. So that's why we can say multiplication is addition of repeated numbers. Here is the explanation of multiplication with the help of pictures. As you can see on a screen, on first column there are 2 groups, and in each group there are 6 flowers. You have to add 6 plus 6. Instead of adding, we will write the multiplication. 6 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 12. In the next picture, there are 2 groups and each group there are 3 blocks. So we will multiply 2 by 3. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. And in the last column there are 4 groups of 3 balloons. Means you have to add the 3 number 4 times. Here we will multiply 3 by 4. 3 4s are 12. By this way, we can write the multiplication sentence. Here is the table of 2, and students, you are familiar with this table. You have done in the previous classes. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, and 2 10s are 20. Now you can understand that in one group of 2 there is 2. 2 group of 2 is 4. 3 group of 2 is 6. 4 group of 2 is 8. 5 group of 2 is 10, and so on. Means if there are 7 groups of 2 things, total things will be 14. 7 2s are 14. Students, before going any written work, you have to remember these points. Learn the multiplication table of 2 and make the groups of 2. I hope you got the concept and can do the written work easily. Thank you.